welcome back. So I am back on a road trip to Manchester. Right now we are at the 7th station and I just met up with her. Where's her face? She left me. Guys, I'll tell you a story, okay? I'll do a story time. So this girl actually left me. She left me alone for her boyfriend. That aside, I know you're going to take her aside, but that aside, she left me with, I don't want to say the word, person. And I had to cope with that person. The person, like, I don't know, I was having my waffles and he took all of it. And mind you, when we went shopping, this guy was like, you like sweet, it's too sweet, it's too sweet. But when I gave him a bite, I was like, oh, it's nice, so it's not like the ones I've tasted before. And he ate everything. He ate everything. Look at him. Set to move now, and I have my Greg's steak bacon chicken dip. See you guys. Down. Let's go meet my baby girl. Then we can leave him here. Okay. Hello, so we're here now.
Plenty money,
For some weird reasons, this is honestly messing with my brain, and I love it. Can you tell me which amongst the three is longest? Wild, right? Yes. And I love it.
I find I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel my body. Only you feel my body. You don't need no other body. Said I'm eating mess of my mind, and I'm eating you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love to be like. Say I'm reading together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you goodbye. Yeah, if you leave, I'm struggling your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, baby, you don't need no other body. You don't need no other body.
See that? Let me go to the other end. Tell me what you see.
My body. You don't need no other body. Hey, baby, everybody's the same. No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. After the morning, my mind down from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all you. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all. Make I give you all you need. Every time. She can make time look good. I'm your cousin, hold you for a night.
So finally we are out. Yeah, that was the whatever it was.
Feelings I've been holding, it must be love.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride. Hold you for life. So tight, coming closer.
Loves. So we're done with the bowling. I was third. Nanisha was last. She carried the group. No, and he wasn't second. He was last. Actually, he was. Please, he was last.
A few moments later.
What happened to me? Guys, yes, that happened. I'm soaked again, but with a drink. Was it Coke or Fanta? Fanta. So he did it. Wasn't intentional, no. But he's really feeling bad. I don't know why he's feeling bad anyway. It wasn't intentional, but he's feeling bad anyway. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Bye.